Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to download files from Cloud AI. To download files from Cloud AI, start by asking Cloud to generate the file you need, such as PDF, document, spreadsheet, or presentation. And once it creates the output, it will usually appear directly in the chat as a preview or downloadable attachment depending on the file type. When the file is ready, look for the download button and click it to save the file to your device, where it will normally go to your default downloads folder unless you choose another location in your browser settings. After the download is complete, you can open the file using the default application assigned to that format, such as PDF Viewer or Office Program. And if you want to use a different application, you can right-click the file, select Open With, and then choose a program you prefer. In some cases, especially for presentations or editable documents, you can upload the downloaded file into platforms like Google Drive or Google Slides to continue editing or converting it into another format. This makes it easy to move files created in Cloud AI into other tools for storage, editing, or sharing while keeping the original content intact. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.